Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. I forgot to film an intro to this video. I went to visit Maddie at Markville, the Aritzia there, but she was in a meeting. I really wanted to see her because I wanted to see her bump. Anyways, I wasn't able to see her, but I did pick up some stuff. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys because I walked around a little bit to see if there was anything that would catch my eye. To be honest, it's much easier to shop sale during like online or in the apps. So I try not to, I get really like flustered if I'm in store and looking through stuff. But yeah, I'll show you guys some stuff that I'm interested in or that I saw or that I thought was interesting.
Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick little voiceover because the music was so loud during this part that you couldn't really even hear me. But I saw these little silk scarves that they started coming out with. I think the print on this one specifically is so beautiful. If you like the look of a designer silk scarf but you don't like the price point, I think this is a great way to indulge in it. Very beautiful. It really does just change up your outfit. I saw someone wearing this specific sweater. I really liked it too, but I have a feeling I would get sick of the striping pattern, so I did pass on that item. I really like the piping of this stuff, but I don't typically like wearing just a bra and leggings to work out in, so I passed on those two.
This is very darling. 40% off of $150. Butter yellow. It's a vest. Okay, also very darling. 40% off this one. I love the cashmere. So cute. Sorry, it's very loud. It also comes in this color. That's an interesting neckline. Oops.
Thank you. Appreciate your help.
I like this, but I don't know if I would necessarily wear it, and I don't think it's made of like wool or anything. Where's the tag? Oh, here it is. Sorry guys, this is one-handed. It is yeah, it's all polyester. Womp womp. This tie sweater is cute. Not necessarily this plum color, but I think I saw blue. Yeah, like that blue over there is really pretty. Thought this was like a water bottle, but it's actually tennis balls. They're pink Super Puff tennis balls. This shirt is 40% off. There's Vancouver, New York, and a white Vancouver. I thought they had a Toronto one, but I guess not. Cute.
Okay, we're back. So why I went was because the jacket that I bought, I'm in my PJs right now, went down in price. Now it's 30% off. So I got a price adjustment done. I basically returned it and then repurchased it. I also got this little tutu for my niblet. She's in her tutu area. She's loving princess stuff and she loves wearing a tutu. So this was from Zara Kids, and it was actually $18. I thought it was $11, but I did the math wrong. So originally it was $29.90, and then it was 40% off, so it was $18. I'm gonna ask my sis if she wants it still, but I think it's pretty cute, and yeah, she can wear a tutu if she wants. So I got that. And then I got two shirts for my relatives. They're going to be visiting soon, so I figured I would get them two little t-shirts. These are from Sunday Best, extra small. I thought that the little dog would be really cute because it's like the Aritzia icon. And there's the other little dog. And these were 30% off, right? Yeah, 30% off. So $21. It's not bad. And then obviously the pièce de résistance is the jacket that I purchased. So got it online, got it in a size medium. And it comes in and out of stock. Like sometimes there's one, like I guess people are returning them. Sorry, I'm wearing PJs and I also had a hat on earlier, but this is what it looks like on me. And I got a medium so I could wear like thicker items underneath it, also so it could be a little bit baggier, but that's what essentially it looks like on me. And then I also did stop into Purdy's. I had a moment where I thought I lost my phone, but I got 2 boxes of hedgehogs for $50. So the hedgehogs are their icon chocolate. So I got 2 boxes for $50, which is such a good deal. So regular piece, they're $50, and then it was buy one, get one free. And there's 20 pieces of hedgehogs. So when my family comes, what's this? Ooh, I got a coupon. So when my family comes, then, ooh, she gave me 2 coupons. Thank you, girl. I'm going to give 1 box to one of the fams and the other box to the other fams. But I thought that was a good deal, considering, you know, they always have the hedgehogs. Like, you can buy them all the time. So that was a good deal. So let me just put that back in here. But yeah, I had a moment where I thought I lost my phone. That was so scary because I put my phone in my purse to like pay for something, and then I didn't realize like it slipped under one of the pockets. It was so scary. So anyways, whatever, it doesn't matter. I found it in the end. The girl was so sweet. I was like freaking out. And I had so many things with me because had this jacket. So I had this jacket in a Trader Joe's bag. I was carrying these things. She's like, did you find it? And I was like, no. And I was panicking. I thought it was in my pocket. No. Anyways, I need a phone leash. That's what I need. So yeah, that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok @HelloHarley. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta. Goodbye. See you later.